Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day. It's hot outside. We here together.
You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under, it's a blessed day, y'all. What time is it? What we gonna do now? We're gonna mukbang. Welcome to another mukbang eating show, y'all.
I can't even
with
do
my
it.
daughter, Shashawna, as your host today. Now say it right, get it right.
Well, I can't even do a proper, Shashawna takeover before I got really interrupted. But the star of the show is right behind me, as you guys can hear. We got 2 tortas and this drink. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. I don't want to butcher it.
You call it tortilla? No, it's Tortas.
Hold on, is this one?
Yep. It's supposed to be
Now pop it.
Go ahead, Kyra. I'm gonna start eating.
Ooh.
You drop all my napkins on. I'm gonna beat her up. Thank you. She's awesome. Oh.
Dang. Sound like a...
Mind your business.
I know, right?
Pineapple. I got this from Big Red's eating show. Check out my girl. That's good. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, these tortas be. I don't know what this is. Honestly, I couldn't tell y'all.
No.
Ooh. Trying to open up the torta. It got everything in it: cilantro, onions, lettuce, tomatoes. I think that's sour cream. No, it might be like mayo in there. A lot. And it's steak, baby. Steak.
Ain't no wrong to stay, baby.
Nope. These tortas. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I missed it, y'all, cousins.
You missed it, them?
I missed it, them.
That's what's up. She said I missed it, them.
I missed it, them. Tell them do not come for our vocabulary, family. I'm getting to that avocado. See ya. I really never was an avocado fan. Like my entire life, I would be like, eh. But taste buds have changed over the years. Y'all so good. Got some jalapeno peppers now. This is my spot. This is not. Oh, I messed my shirt all up. I'm so glad y'all can't see it, foodie fan. Remember when we was having that conversation?
What?
About wet sandwiches?
Mm-hmm.
This is a wet sandwich.
That's a wet sandwich?
This is a wet sandwich.
Okay.
Mama Dear is gonna have me have a fit. Fire. Excuse me. Cousins, it's so wet, and the sandwich is wet. But every time I bite it, I'm falling out. Legit. Fire.
She love them with sandwiches. Oh, yes, she does. She love them with sandwiches. How it taste? It's good?
I keep describing it, so yes.
Okay, I want a piece. Y'all, I'm begging today, y'all. I'm begging today. Today is my turn to beg. Hold up. Let me come on over there. I'm begging. Come on. Give me a piece of that.
Okay, take a bite. She coming up with plastic forks.
A knife.
Knife,
I want a piece too.
I'm just holding it down for you.
You know how she
Just
be
can't
doing
see,
me.
can't see people be great, you know?
I want to taste this wet ass sandwich you got over here. Looking all good and got my mouth watering and
I got some avocados in there, baby, make it nice and creamy and smooth. They got a little spice in it, you feel me? Delicioso.
Y'all, I went back to my old school Mexican place. That food fire. Girl, I think you got me beat.
Excuse me. Oh my God. Whew, that was probably the longest burp I've had. If these napkins don't stop flying around, I want to have a shit.
This do taste good.
I'm gonna repeat my stuff. Let people come back. You know why I know that? Because I do it.
Yeah, Sashi.
That hit a lick.
This my girl Kiss. She wanted some tortas.
I know, kids. You're the reason why I even thought of tortas. I've been saying Mexican food all day.
I'm not girl Kiss.
Y'all know it's Saturday, so we gonna have our Saturday Night Live. You feel me? So y'all be ready for that.
Hey, another piece.
She come interrupting my mukbang, my personal time with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like this is my time.
Is that piece of avocado too? Open them. I mean, that's a big old piece of avocado too. They ain't even stingy with it.
Come on.
Yo, they ain't even stingy with it. That's the way she be. That's the way she be in my stuff. Oh, wait. Oh no, she didn't. Oh. Jay,
Y'all.
you look like you need a bib, child.
When I tell y'all I made a mess of myself, that's not a lie. I'm not gonna tell y'all either. That's what happens when the food good. I mean, it's like you gotta catch it because this sandwich right here,
It's falling apart.
yes, it's falling. Like that bottom bread got soggy. Y'all, look at you a torta today. Everybody have a torta today. Go to your favorite joint, pick up a torta, a steak torta. Cause I can't.
Favorite joint.
Right, and then come back and finish watching this mukbang with me so we can just be on the same page. You know what I'm saying? Because
let them know you want everything in that joint. That's something tastes good. That's something tastes good. With some water.
Fire. Y'all put up with my shenanigans, and I'll just be like, you know, y'all loyal, because I'll be on shenanigans. Excuse me. Okay, my loves, it is time for me to bounce with all of this mess to clean up. I will see y'all in the live tonight.